Good evening. I really enjoy this process of participating in the candidate assessment courses and participating as an online instructor. I have been an online student before, and so I know that side of it and what I really needed and wanted from my online instructors. And now participating in this has given me sort of a well-rounded perspective as to what is needed to really create that dynamic cohesiveness to foster learning. I'm excited to help fulfill the BYU learning model of creating lifelong learners and disciple leaders. It's actually this perspective that caused a dynamic shift for me in thinking about how to be an online instructor. It helped to broaden that vision for me and to give me a much more purposeful idea of what that online instructor really can do. And that came about in a couple of the assignments, specifically responding to the student emails. Both of those emails had a great sense of frustration in them, and of course a lack of understanding about the BYU learning model and even course parameters. But the best response, I felt, was not to harshly critique them and their misinformation, but really to compassionately respond to their frustration and to help get them back on track. For me, I really feel that the greatest bridge to link instruction and learning is through positive interaction and positive praise versus negative critiques. I'm also eager to stand as a witness to the beautiful blessing that Elder Eyring promised all BYU students and instructors, and I thought it was a beautiful blessing. Now, with regards to challenges, of course there will be challenges as an online instructor. First, for me, I think it's going to be how to establish and foster a relationship with each student. I believe that fostering a relationship is paramount. It has to be there. You can help one navigate a course and help them to feel successful, even if their grades are not the best. Although grades are important, I think to me what's most important is that you're constantly fostering that love of learning. And that really helps to swing that focus to what I feel it needs to be. Ultimately, the learning will occur, especially as you nurture that process of learning as outlined in the BYU learning model of prepare, teach one another, and ponder, improve. Now, the lack of face-to-face also could be a challenge. We're used to getting those visual cues off of students. Are they tired? Are they distracted? Are they upset? But this opportunity to be an online instructor and not have that face-to-face really gives you an opportunity to find a different way to get cues. And you're going to get it through correspondence. And you still need to pay attention, and you still need to reach out to them, and you still need to help motivate them. And I think that's wonderful. And it's just a different skill set. And I'm excited for that opportunity. I'm eager to help students become more of a leader and to develop that love of learning and to celebrate the BYU learning model. Thanks very much.